this is the story so far. This is the old engine. This is the one that's done 56,000 k's, so I don't know what's happening inside there, so we'll take it apart in the next week or two. Take off that carby. That one's a new carby, so we'll take that one off. And Jack came past, gave us a hand to fit the new engine. So stick on the new carby. What else is there to do? Just the accessories. That's about it. And the only injury we got was a little bit of blood. Blood on me Phoenix. And that was it. Fit a new sprocket. Take the sprocket off the old one, and we'll go with that. Should be pretty good.